Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. I can't believe this guitar cost $69. This is my Morris MAB Sunburst hollow body jazz guitar. This guitar was made in Japan in the 70s and is a dead ringer for the 60s Gibson ES 175D Sunburst jazz guitar. Many players have tried to buy this one away from me, but that's not going to happen. The Morris MAB is a jazz hollow body guitar with 2 humbucker pickups and a Gibson style tune-o-matic bridge. The headstock features abalone inlays and Grover tuners, which are not the originals, however. The guitar has a beautiful sunburst back with a nice wood grain pattern showing through the finish. It features a very nice rosewood fingerboard, and ivory color binding runs along the entire body, neck, and headstock. How did I buy this guitar for $69? Well, some years ago, I walked into a pawn store, and there it was, hanging on a wall, looking amazing. I thought, no way I'm going to be able to afford this guitar. I turned the price tag over, and to my surprise, the price tag read $69.95. My mind was blown. I got the attention of the sales guy and asked why the price was so low. He said, "That guitar won't play through an amp. We reduced it after finding out that it doesn't work." I said, "Okay, I'll take it. Maybe I can fix it." The sales guy also brought out this Yamaha hard case that fits the guitar just fine and includes the key. I took the guitar back to my studio and promptly called the local guitar tech to pick it up and repair it. The guitar tech was able to clean up the guitar and set it up, but said that because the electronics were very hard to get to, it would be very expensive to repair the electronics. I said, "Okay, since I don't have much in it, I'll just play it acoustically." After I got it back, I thought that since I had nothing to lose, I would try to get it working. So I got a can of contact cleaner, a can of compressed air duster, and went to work. I plugged the guitar into an amp and got no sound from the guitar at first. But after 15 minutes of blowing air and contact cleaner around the pots, as I turned them repeatedly, I started to hear some crackling. And eventually, the guitar was sounding like a new one with absolutely no noise, and has been playing that way ever since. Apparently, some corrosion had built up around the electronics contacts and needed to be cleaned away. One other interesting thing, I found receipts in the case. The last owner of this guitar had pawned it several times and only got $20 each time. Fortunately for me, they never came back for it the last time around. Before this guitar, I always wanted a nice guitar for playing jazz. And out of all of the jazz guitars that I have tried over the years, I have not found one that I liked as much as my MAB. I thank God that my search for a jazz guitar ended when I found this one. And that's the story of my Morris MAB hollow body jazz guitar. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.